everybody, welcome to Affordable Shenanigans. I am Ben, and today this is actually our first episode of our new series called... And it's going to be where we're going to be making PVC weapons and eventually doing a big war with them. There's going to be 3 episodes. There's going to be swords, and then there's going to be bows, and then we're going to have shields, and then the war itself. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then stick around, because on this channel we make affordable games and projects and things like that that you can do with your friends at home, so you can see how we did it, and you can recreate it for yourself. It goes from anywhere in a budget from basically $0 to $50 per person. So if that's something that is that you're interested in or your friends are interested in, then stick around. Or if you're just here to see our shenanigans, then stick around and see our shenanigans. So today, for our first episode, we're going to be doing the swords, and not just any swords. I just picked it up out of the wrong end, but lightsabers. So basically, as you can see, it's a lightsaber. It's this one is our blue one. They also do come in multiple colors. We'll show you that in a little bit. But for now, I'm going to show you kind of how this was made. We're not going to show you the full process for this one. For most of the things that we're going to be doing on this channel, we're going to be doing things that are almost so simple to explain that we don't even have to show you it. But for some things, we will show you it. Like, we're going to be showing you guys how to make the shields, because for that video, we won't have a challenge for it, because then we're going to be using the shields mostly in the war video. So, with the sword, as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's PVC pipe. You've got the main pipe here. It's got a T, and then it's going down this way as well. And it's got a pool noodle in here, and then it's wrapped around with tape. And then we have silver duct tape around the handle right here. And so we wrapped it around several layers, and then we took electrical tape or black duct tape, whatever you want to do, and we wrapped around layers. And depending on how many layers we had, that's what we did to make the form of the handle and how we have the grips in here and everything. The grip on this handle is actually very nice. It's really good. Sometimes you can have this, as you can see, they have. We didn't put the tape around the side of it. You don't have to. You can if you want. I did it with mine. It just looks a lot better. So you can customize your handle however you want. You can wrap around how many times. Maybe you just want to wrap around it once and just have it be a straight handle. Whatever you want to do. That's up to you. And then for the sword itself, we just wrapped it around with tape on the outside here. The pool noodle, of course, so it's plush. It's good for fighting and everything. As far as the weight goes, the weight is not that bad, at least on this one. It's got a little bit of a weight on it, but not too much. If you're not a wimp, then you should be fine. So that actually isn't our only color, though. Not only do we have blue, but we have the classic. We have the classic red. I just cut my hands off. So yeah, as you can see, it's just got a basic black blade. It is a little bit thicker on some parts right here, but they also put like a little button on this here. So you can customize it however you want. If you want, you can maybe even make the handle a different color. Just go wild, have fun with it, do whatever you want. These swords generally cost about 15 bucks for everything, all the supplies. So basically all you're gonna need is just the base pipe, and then the T-pipe, and then the pipe that's going along here. You might have to cut it with a saw, depending on how long it is. You should be able to find all the parts at your local Home Depot or Menards, wherever you want to go. Anywhere that you might know that might have PVC pipe. And then you can easily get a pool noodle for like $1 at Walmart. And then, along with that, there's one other thing that we can do with these, is that if you like Kylo Ren's lightsaber from the new Star Wars trilogy, you can do that too with the T. If you get like smaller PVC parts, or if like you could cut off the ends of it if you want to. I believe you can get little pieces like this individually at the store as well. Put them on the sides. You can make it look like this, like the Kylo Ren sword. This one is our yellow one, and then there's mine actually that I like. I like the handle on it. The handle on is pretty basic. It looks like a good Jedi handle without being too wrapped up. It's got a really good grip on it. It has one side only on it as well. Generally, we actually do fight this easy. We're going to be doing a fight with this in just a moment. But we actually count these as kills, and I've gotten a kill with this like 1 or 2 times before. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do a fight, so I'll see you guys at the park. Alright, so we're at the park. We're going to be doing a tournament, and so right now we're going to be having Alex and Sam going up against each other. And then after that, it's going to be me and Nathan going up against each other, and then whoever is the winner of the 2 matches is going to go against each other, and that person will be the victor. So, without further ado, let's have these guys fight. Alright, here we go.
Round 1, fight! Fight!
Alright, so I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like. And if you want to see us do more challenges with the swords, then we will be sure to do in the future. We're going to definitely do a lot more fun projects like this. And we'll definitely bring a lot of the stuff we've made back in the future. So next time, we're going to be making the bows. So be sure to subscribe if you guys want to see that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!